let's go ahead and in the build method, we are going to use a slide transition widget. It is simply going to animate the card with a slide transition. So, in the position property, I need to pass the animation controller. Once again, the controller has the settings needed by the position property. Now, the slide transition needs a child. So what I am gonna do is go to the landing page and copy a card and paste it inside the child. Great. It's time to replace the values. Let's start by giving it the image path here. Since fit is an optional parameter, we're gonna check if widget.fit equals null or not. If it's null, then we're gonna return null value. Else, we need to write widget.fit. Also, let's replace app development with widget.text. Now, since we don't want the animation to play only once, we are going to write 2 dots followed by repeat over here. Let's get back to the landing page file and delete this card. In its place, we're gonna call the animated card web. Here, we can give it the image path that is assets/app.png, and in the text, we are going to write app development. Right now, we need to give this image a boxFit.contain, and the reverse should be true. Let's do the same with the rest of the cards, but with different values, obviously. So let me minimize and delete this card. Call animated card web. In the image path, write assets/firebase.png, and in the text, write backend development. I am going to keep the rest empty. Finally, let's remove the last card and call animated card web. In the image path, type assets/webble.png, and inside the text, write web development. Give it a comma here and another one after the closing bracket. Now we can go ahead and reformat the code. Then stop the app and start it again. Let's wait a second. You're gonna notice something interesting right now. So, as you can see, what happens is that all of the cards are moving, and it seems that the animation is working properly, but not really. Whenever the card reaches the ending position all of a sudden it goes back to its original position, which looks very odd. Of course, we want the animation to be smooth, so we need to make it slide back its path to the original position. Alright, let's fix it then. Head to the Android Studio, and inside the repeat, we can use a property called reverse and set it to true. We started to see the result, and you may observe that the animation works just fine. Fixing it was extremely easy, and now it looks really amazing.